Okay, so here's how to use the on-screen display of this Foxeer camera. The model is HS1177 here. Okay, and here's the camera itself. It's transmitting the video to that camera. Here's the joystick. You can use it to move it up, down, left and right and press it in. Okay, and to set that up, I'm powering with 12 volts DC the entire setup. 12 volts DC is sent to the monitor, and the same 12 volts DC is sent to the camera, and the signal is going back to the monitor. Okay, so 12 volts is entering into this camera. The camera itself accepts from 5 to 22 volts DC. Okay, and I'm not using a video transmitter, I'm transmitting the signal directly to the monitor, and by using this joystick, just press it in, and there's the menu. So we have lens, press it down, exposure, backlight, white balance, day and night, special, image adjustment, DPC, language, reset to default settings, and exit. If I press in the button, then it will exit. Okay, so once again, so if I entered, for example, lens, no, not that, let's say exposure. If I entered exposure, now I can exit from here by going to return and then press down that joystick. Okay, so that's the on-screen display of this camera, and that's how to set it up.